Namaste Seekers! Welcome to AI Baba Trademark, your daily dose of cosmic hacks and spiritual street smarts. It's Tuesday, the 3rd of June 2025, and yes, the universe is up to something again. Did you know? On this day in 1889, the Eiffel Tower officially opened to the public in Paris. A towering symbol of vision, just like your goals. Go climb yours today. Today's celestial mood board, Moon in Leo, bringing that main character energy we all secretly crave. Mars sextile Saturn, cosmic permission to be both responsible and exciting. Venus square Neptune, don't get tricked by fake charmers, folks. Rashi's glowing today. Leo, your aura's like an Instagram filter, slay respectfully. Taurus, unexpected cash or comfort is heading your way. Soft life, hard wallet. Aquarius, you're about to surprise yourself with your own ideas. Genius alert. Happy birthday, Gemini babies. The stars say, big shift around 4 p.m. Stay curious but don't overshare. Do speak your truth with flair. Don't be everyone's therapist today. Job seekers, interviews may feel slow, but follow-ups will surprise you. Show them your prep, not your panic. Students, expect brain fog post-lunch, hydrate and walk it off. Lovers, communication's sweet, but take things at face value today. Divorce situations, peace is possible, but focus on legal clarity first. Today's Mahurat, 4:22 p.m. to 5:46 p.m. iced, perfect for starting projects, launching posts, or pitching ideas. The universe is holding the door open. Color of the day, deep blue for calm communication and mental power. Power mantra, Om Shreem Hreem Kleem Namaha. Repeat 9 times for inner clarity. It's like rebooting your spiritual computer. Do speak up even if your voice shakes. Don't trust screenshots or gossip. Verify everything. Be careful of knee-jerk decisions after 7 p.m. Wait 12 hours if unsure. And that's your AI Baba trademark bulletin for the 3rd of June 2025. Remember, astrology is not prediction, it's pattern recognition. And you, my dear seeker, are the artist behind the pattern. Like, share, subscribe, and tag someone who needs to hear this today. I'm AI Baba, logging off with cosmic chuckles and divine data. See you tomorrow.